everyone, this is Rena Jadov, the CEO of New Alerts. I'm here today at the Splash event for Vader News, and the guest we have today is Kobe Fuller. Kobe is a associate with OpenView Ventures. Kobe, welcome to the show.
Thanks for having me. I'm excited to be here.
So tell us a little bit about your firm.
Yeah, so OpenView, we're a venture capital fund based out of Boston, and we focus on investing in expanded stage software and internet companies. We define expanded stage as companies that have established revenues, growing quite quickly, established management team, good product, and are looking for anywhere between $5 to $50 million to get to the next level of size and growth. And the way we've constructed our firm is that half the fund, half the team actually, is focused on providing operational value add and assistance for portfolio companies. And that portion of the team is called OpenView Labs. And we really take a real proactive approach post-investment to help portfolio companies in areas of sales, marketing, finance, legal, IT, product development, product marketing, and we really constructed the firm to be focused on making sure that we're doing everything we can post-investment and helping our portfolio companies do well.
Oh, that's fantastic. So we're in February 2010. Tell us the truth. Who is getting funded? What sectors are getting funded this year?
I mean, that's a tough question. I think we're seeing there's a lot of activity in the past sort of year and a half still in the sort of social space. I still think you're going to see capital still go into the social space, maybe social analytics, social monitoring. I think you're going to still see a lot of interesting consumer social approaches as well, going to the next level, sort of social gaming that may get some capital. I think it's going to be tough because you have a lot of the bigger players that are dominating that space, are well capitalized, and it's really going to be hard for new entrants to come in. But I still think you're going to see money still go after that space and really try to go after what is really a very, very attractive market for consumers in terms of trying to find stuff to do online and be entertained. So yeah, that's what I think would be really interesting areas. What I'm focused on, I'm looking. Actually, as a fund, we really look for companies that actually have real established revenue models, really have a core vision that's really executing well against a team and actually can execute well against that vision, and a product that's delivering to a very large market that they could do quite well.
All right, so who's not getting funded? What are the dead sectors?
The dead sectors. I think your companies that are offering sort of the old traditional sort of licensed software approach are not nearly as interesting as the new sort of SaaS-based business models. So I think you're not going to see as much traction in that. It's just harder to try to find new customers and grow a large business when you're constantly trying to build your customer base. You don't have a repeatable sort of revenue stream coming through, and you're trying to find more and more customers to build a large base. So I think you're not going to see as much capital go in that segment.
What do you think of the IPO market in 2010? Is it going to finally wake up?
I hope so. So I think you're going to start to see more activity from the IPO perspective as well as an M&A perspective. But it's very hard to tell what's going to happen. So.
All right. So for those of us looking for money out there, what are your 3 tips to getting funded this year?
3 tips. I think one is be very clear on the mission and vision for your business, and actually have alignment as a team in regards to that mission and vision. Because if you don't, you're not going to be able to march down the path of building any real business if you don't know what you're trying to do. Then 2, really be clear on the operating plan you need to create to achieve that mission and vision, and determine whether you actually even need capital to achieve the operating plan. Because if you don't, you might as well not take the capital and suffer the dilution, because it just doesn't make any sense. And then 3, find an investor or partner that can really add value and that's aligned with that mission and vision that you're trying to accomplish. And once you do that, you're not going to be trying to go through a road show and try to really try to sell the idea of companies funds trying to invest in your business. They'll just be a partnership that'll be clear once you articulate what you're trying to do, and that will help you really kind of achieve getting the capital that you really should be getting from the partner you should really be partnering with.
Well, Kobe, thank you so much. We appreciate your insights, and thanks for watching.